Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of blockchain technology. If you've ever been curious about how cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin work or the potential applications of this innovative technology, then this video is for you. Let's get started. What is blockchain? So what exactly is blockchain? At its core, a blockchain is a decentralized, distributed digital ledger that records transactions across multiple computers. This ensures that the data is transparent, secure, and nearly impossible to tamper with. Each piece of data, called a block, is connected to the previous block, forming a chain, hence the name blockchain. The technology was first introduced in 2008 by an anonymous individual or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto as the underlying technology for the cryptocurrency Bitcoin. But since then, blockchain has evolved and has found applications in various industries, from finance to supply chain management. One of the key features of blockchain technology is its decentralized nature. This means that no single entity has control over the entire system. Instead, control is distributed among all participants in the network, also known as nodes. This decentralization offers several benefits, such as increased security, reduced risk of fraud, and improved transparency. Another critical aspect of blockchain technology is its immutability. Once a block is added to the chain, it is extremely difficult to alter the information within that block. This is because each block contains a unique reference, or hash, to the previous block. Any attempt to change the data within a block would also require changing the hash of all subsequent blocks, which would require an enormous amount of computational power. This makes blockchain an ideal choice for maintaining a secure and tamper-resistant record of transactions. Additionally, blockchain technology enables trustless transactions. This means that parties can transact with each other without the need for a trusted intermediary, such as a bank or a third-party service. This can help reduce transaction costs and increase the efficiency of many processes. How does blockchain work? Now that we know what blockchain is, let's dive into how it works. There are 6 main components to a blockchain system. 1. Nodes. A blockchain network is made up of multiple computers known as nodes that work together to validate and store transaction data. Each node maintains a complete copy of the blockchain, ensuring that the data is distributed and secure. Nodes communicate with one another to share the latest updates to the blockchain. 2. Transactions. When two parties want to exchange information, they create a digital transaction. This can be anything from transferring cryptocurrency to updating a document. Transactions are encrypted and digitally signed by the sender, ensuring their authenticity and integrity. Once a transaction is created, it is broadcast to the entire network. 3. Transaction pools. As transactions are broadcasted to the network, they are temporarily stored in a transaction pool. This pool consists of unconfirmed transactions waiting to be processed and included in a block. 4. Blocks. Miners or validators select transactions from the transaction pool and group them into a block. A block contains a timestamp, a unique reference to the previous block called a hash, and the transaction data. The process of creating a new block is known as mining or validating, depending on the consensus mechanism used. 5. Validation. Before adding a block to the blockchain, it must be validated. This is where a consensus mechanism comes into play. One common consensus method is called proof of work. In this process, specialized computers known as miners compete to solve a complex mathematical problem. The first miner to solve the problem gets to add the block to the chain and is rewarded with cryptocurrency. Other consensus mechanisms include proof of stake, where validators are chosen based on their holdings of a particular cryptocurrency, and delegated proof of stake, which allows token holders to vote for a set of validators. 6. Chain. Once a block is validated, it's added to the blockchain, creating a permanent, tamper-resistant record of the transaction. Each new block strengthens the security of the entire chain, making it increasingly difficult to alter past transactions. The blockchain serves as an auditable and transparent history of all transactions that have occurred on the network. Now, let's move on to some real-world applications of blockchain technology. Blockchain applications. Blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize various industries. Let's explore some of its most promising applications. 1. Cryptocurrencies. The most well-known application of blockchain is cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. These digital currencies rely on blockchain technology for secure, decentralized transactions. They also enable cross-border transactions and micropayments with lower fees compared to traditional financial systems. 2. Supply chain management. Blockchain can provide a transparent and tamper-proof record of products' journey from the manufacturer to the consumer. This can help reduce fraud, streamline operations, and ensure the authenticity of goods. Companies like IBM and Walmart have already started implementing blockchain solutions to improve their supply chains. 3. Voting systems. Blockchain-based voting systems can increase transparency, reduce fraud, and streamline the voting process by providing a secure, immutable record of each vote. This can help restore trust in electoral systems and promote greater civic engagement. 4. Healthcare. Blockchain technology can be used to create a secure, decentralized database of patient records, improving data sharing and collaboration among healthcare providers, while maintaining patient privacy. This can lead to more personalized treatments and better overall patient outcomes. 5. Smart contracts. Enabled by platforms like Ethereum, smart contracts are self-executing agreements with the terms of a contract directly written into code. They automatically execute when the specified conditions are met, reducing the need for intermediaries and increasing efficiency. Smart contracts have applications in various sectors, including insurance, real estate, and legal services. 6. Decentralized finance, DeFi. Blockchain enables the creation of decentralized financial systems that can provide greater accessibility, security, and transparency compared to traditional financial institutions. DeFi platforms offer services such as lending, borrowing, and trading, all without the need for intermediaries like banks. 7. Digital identity. Blockchain can be used to create secure, decentralized digital identities that give individuals greater control over their personal information. This can help protect against identity theft and streamline processes that require identity verification, such as opening a bank account or applying for a job. These are just a few examples of the many potential applications of blockchain technology. As the technology continues to mature, we can expect to see even more innovative use cases. So, there you have it. Blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact, transact, and trust one another. From cryptocurrencies to supply chain management, the possibilities are endless. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.